What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a couple of days since I went fishing with Jacob, and today I am going for pike by myself, and it is just such a nice day today. The weather is nice, the wind is good, and I just feel so chilled today. I woke up this morning, I slept really well, I went to the gym, came back, and I'm a little bit late for this trip, but I don't know, I just can't stress today, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a good trip today. I'm gonna troll for some pike and then maybe do some casting. I don't know, it's just a beautiful day, so I just feel like relaxing, catching some fish, looking at the lake, and just have a little quiet time by myself. So hopefully this trip will be all that, and hopefully you enjoy this video. I'm gonna ramp up the motor and get to the lake, shoot out of this channel, and I'll see you guys when we start fishing. Thanks for tuning in again, and let's see if we can get some pike. Whoa, what a nice day. It's so nice to be out on the lake. The wind is a little bit, it blows a little bit hotter than what I thought coming out. And this boat is a bit smaller than what I'm used to, so I'm having a little bit of a trouble sticking to the drop-offs that I wanted to fish that I know are good. So I've just come to this part of the lake, the part that's the bank that's out of the wind, and I'm using the electric to just troll along, and I'm just trying to stick with the drop-offs over here. Trying to stay anywhere from 10 to 15, and we'll see what might happen. I've caught fish on this side before, just not as many as the other side, but it's nice to be out of the wind, and it's really nice to use the electric. Yeah, who knows? We might catch some fish. If not, it's just a real nice day. Just check this out. Ooh. Sweet. All right, I have a fish, but I'm in a sort of awkward spot because the waves are pretty high. Is it gone? Dropped it. I think I dropped it. Did I? Is it still there? Oh yeah, dropped it. God damn it. God damn it. Oh. Goddamn barbless hooks. I regret that decision. Yeah, that was a fish. For sure. So that was exciting. That was the only strike we've had so far, and it was on a pike imitation. So I just decided I'm gonna change all lures to pike imitations, because the bite is really slow today, and yeah, if they like that one, maybe we can up our chances by switching the other rods also to pike imitations. All right, let's see. Oh. Give this one a go for sure. Maybe I'll rig this one up as well. And this one. What? Okay, these perch aren't messing around. Look at that. Jesus. Oh, I feel bad for this little guy. Alright guys, that's it for today. A nice little chilled out trip. Didn't catch much. We had one pike that we dropped due to the bobless hooks decision, which I'm now regretting. It's horrible. We got two little perch that jumped on the pike Lewis, so not an impressive trip in terms of fish, but just such a chilled out day on the water. And I was planning to do casting and targeting some perch with smaller lures, but I just couldn't be bothered. I was just too relaxed, hanging out in the boat and just cruising along, hoping that it would produce a pike. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.